All right, what's going on, everybody? So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at the smallest condo currently listed on the market. It's 352 square feet. So I think that's probably the size of some people's closets maybe. But hey, location is everything. So you can see we're in a prime downtown location. So let's check it out. Here we are, 007. Whoa, this place is small, but I actually kind of like it. Got a lot of outdoor space. Okay, so here we are. I'm gonna try to give you a tour, but there's not gonna be much of a tour to give. Let me flip this camera around so you can actually see it. It's actually kind of a cool setup, and it's somewhat renovated too, so that's nice. Here's the property. So usually when you show a house, you have to kind of talk about different parts of the house, but this is just one giant room with a massive outdoor space. That's actually pretty cool. Let me get a better view of this for everybody. The heating cooling system. So you're on the ground floor. It's the smallest unit, but these floors actually look like they've been updated. This kitchen actually has, what do you think of the kitchen counter space? I think it's actually not bad. Cabinets look like they might have been updated. I mean, they're not original. You look at this little baby refrigerator. This thing is tiny. Let's see what we can, how big is it? It's a little apartment size. I actually like the setup though. You have a dishwasher. I mean, you could actually cook a little bit. I don't really cook too much myself, but you theoretically could. And then the bathroom. So I actually like this place a lot, and it's super affordable. If you can guess the price, this property is actually listed on the market. Someone's gonna look it up and find the price, but it's actually super affordable, great location. I mean, you don't know how many times, I'll have a friend that'll move to somewhere that's really nice, but it's super far away from everywhere. And they're like, man, I would give up some space. I would give up an extra couple bedrooms or bathrooms to live a little bit closer to all the action. So in this property, and you got the outdoor space. I mean, the outdoor space might be bigger than the indoor space. So here we are. I can almost see if I can reach from wall to wall. It's not that narrow. It's like a living room. It's like you're living in a living room that also has a kitchen and a bathroom and a closet. So if you can, and plenty of people's bedrooms when they're sharing it with another person, this is much more space than that. So I guess the bottom line is I wouldn't write off places that are super small. The one downside, it's gonna be harder to resell. I mean, you have to just price it significantly lower than the comps, just because there's not, unless there's a lot of comps, but a place this small, it's probably not too many comps. And also what I would have done if I was the listing agent, I would probably stage it a little bit. It'd be very minor staging, but when you're in just a vacant building, especially when that's kind of vacant and been updated, it kind of has this sterile feel to it. So you need to put some plants or a little table, little bed, get a Murphy bed in here or something. I probably would stage it. So that'd be my only recommendation. But besides that, the property actually shows really well. So if you're in the market for one of the smallest condos in the city, let me know. And remember, location, location, location. Keep that in mind. Even though it's a small unit, I think these hallways are actually pretty cool. It's like this cool blue color. It's a 007 unit. And actually, when you walk over here, as soon as you exit the unit, you have stairways going up. So easy access to get out. You got laundry. Oh, that's another thing. It didn't have laundry. So laundry is actually right behind me. Got some laundry facilities just right next door, so that's pretty cool. I don't think this building has a rooftop, but I'm gonna find out. I'm a big rooftop person, so it could be the worst unit in the building if it has a rooftop. I'm sold. All right, so there's no rooftop, but it's a cool historic building in one of the best parts of town. I think a unit like that would be good if you maybe you had a house in the suburbs, but you also wanted to live in the city, so you could have both. I've seen some clients where they might buy a small condo, but then they'll also have the country house, or maybe that's just what I want to do. But I think it would be a good investment just because of location. You could easily rent that property out. It'd be so easy to rent. Everyone's looking for just a nice, clean space. Not everyone wants to live with roommates, so that would definitely be a good option. Anytime that you buy in like a good, like proven neighborhood that's already been developed, also known as like a blue chip quote unquote neighborhood, the likelihood, as long as you get a realtor to run comps and you're paying similar price per square foot, and then maybe you subtract a little bit just because it's the smallest unit, the value's always going to be there, especially if you're in a big city like I am. So investment wise, it's great. I think it's a really cool unit. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like, please share. Let me know if you could live in an apartment or condo that small, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.